Hello and welcome to Wall Street Wisdom. Today we're diving into something that most people never get access to: how millionaires are investing in 2025. If you ever wondered what the wealthy do differently and how they continue to grow their fortunes while others struggle, then this video is for you. We're going to break down the investment strategies that millionaires are using right now to build long-term wealth, protect their money, and take advantage of the biggest opportunities in the market. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to think like a millionaire investor and how you can apply these strategies to your own portfolio. So let's get started. Millionaires don't invest the way most people do. They aren't chasing the next meme stock, gambling on lottery ticket investments, or freaking out every time the market dips. Instead, they follow a disciplined strategy that allows them to build and preserve wealth over time. One of the biggest things they do differently is they invest for the long term. Instead of trying to time the market, they focus on high-quality assets that grow over decades. This is why you see so many wealthy investors holding stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and Amazon, because they understand that true wealth comes from owning great companies for years, not trading in and out for quick gains. But that's just the beginning. In 2025, millionaires are taking their investments to the next level by focusing on a few key areas that could generate massive returns in the years ahead. One of the biggest trends right now is artificial intelligence. AI is changing everything, from how businesses operate to how we live our daily lives. And smart investors know that the companies leading this AI revolution will be worth trillions in the future. This is why many millionaires are loading up on stocks like Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, and AMD, companies that are developing the AI technology that will power the future. But it's not just tech giants. Some investors are also looking into AI-focused ETFs to get exposure to the entire industry. Another area where millionaires are investing heavily is energy and infrastructure. The world is transitioning to cleaner energy, and this shift will create massive opportunities. Billionaires like Warren Buffett and Elon Musk are investing in solar energy, battery technology, and electric vehicles because they know that these industries will dominate in the next decade. This is why many wealthy investors are putting their money into companies like Tesla, NextEra Energy, and lithium mining stocks. Because as the demand for clean energy grows, these companies could see explosive growth. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Millionaires don't just invest in stocks. They understand the importance of diversification, and that means looking at alternative investments beyond just the stock market. One of the biggest wealth-building secrets: real estate. Millionaires love real estate because it provides passive income, tax advantages, and long-term appreciation. And in 2025, many wealthy investors are taking advantage of rising rental prices and increasing demand for housing by buying rental properties, commercial real estate, and even real estate investment trusts, REITs. The key here is owning assets that generate cash flow. Stocks are great for growth, but real estate can provide steady income, which is why it's a major part of almost every millionaire's portfolio. Another big trend in 2025 is private investments. Many of the world's richest investors are putting their money into startups, venture capital, and private equity. Instead of just investing in public stocks, they're getting in early on companies before they go public. This is how billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Mark Cuban, and Peter Thiel made their fortunes. They invested in companies like Amazon, Uber, and PayPal long before they became massive. Now, for the average investor, getting access to private deals used to be impossible. But today, platforms like AngelList, Equitizen, and Fundrise allow everyday investors to get a piece of these high-growth opportunities. Another important strategy millionaires use is risk management. The wealthy don't take unnecessary risks with their money. They use hedging strategies, diversify across different asset classes, and always keep some cash on the sidelines for when opportunities arise. For example, many investors are holding gold and silver in 2025 as a hedge against inflation. Others are keeping 10 to 20% of their portfolio in cash so they can buy stocks when the market crashes. Speaking of market crashes, this is another major difference between millionaire investors and the average person. When the market drops, most people panic and sell. But the wealthy, they buy. Market corrections and recessions are not something they fear. They see them as buying opportunities. This is why investors like Warren Buffett always have billions in cash ready to invest when stock prices drop. So if you want to invest like a millionaire in 2025, you need to stop thinking short-term and start thinking like the wealthy do. Focus on high-quality investments, look beyond just stocks, and always be prepared for opportunities when the market dips. Now, I want to hear from you. How are you investing in 2025? Are you focused on AI stocks, real estate, or alternative investments? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And if you want more insights on how to grow your wealth and invest like the top 1%, make sure to subscribe to Wall Street Wisdom. Hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.